I'm Khalil Afable.
Your age?
I'm 19 years old na birthday ko ako kahapon.
Where do you live?
I'm currently live in Tunsuya, Malabon City.
Year and course?
I'm first year college and my course is BSIS.
What motivates you to join this competition?
One of my motivation to join this competition is my family and friends and to gain experiences.
Ano yung talent mo for this competition?
Ang i-perform ko po sa competition is singing. Pinili ko po yung singing kasi po dito ko po nakita yung sarili ko sa kung paano mag-spread pa ng mas malawak.
Gaano katagal na nag-prepare for this competition?
Siguro po almost 1 week.
May experience ka na ba before sa competition ng mga
Yes po, meron na po akong experience before. Last month, sumasali po ako ng mga barangay competition.
Yun. Thank you. Yun lang.